Good. Now, least complex. They're not that complex, these questions. Negative 8 divided by 2. Again, I focus first on the coefficients. Negative 8 divided by 2. The answer is a negative 4. Then I have small m, nothing happens to m. Nothing happens, so I just keep the m. Now, n exponent 3 and n exponent 8. Something must happen. I need to subtract with the smallest exponent. So between 8 and 3, the smallest is 3. That's why I'm substituting by, I'm subtracting actually by 3. So 8 minus 3, the answer is going to be n exponent 5. Probably asking yourself what happened here. N exponent 3 minus 3 n exponent 0, which is 1. That's what happened. So this is all over 1. Doesn't change. It still stay the same. Good. Let's get to the next question. Number 16. Now you have 12 divided, negative 16 divided by 12. As you can see, 12 cannot go into 16 and then doesn't leave a remainder. So I need to look at the highest common factor. The highest common factor there would be 4. 4 goes how many times into 16? Negative 16, sorry. It goes negative 4 times. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but I know in 16, 4 goes 4 times. Just keep the negative there. And then what I have, 4 goes 3 times into 12. Good. Now, between a exponent 6 and a exponent 12, which one is the smallest? 6, of course. So I minus 6 here. I minus 6 here. As you can see, 6 minus 6 is 0. A exponent 0, it's 1. I don't need to write that. I know that in the numerator, sorry, I have a 6 because I subtracted 6. Let's look at B. In B, which exponent is greater than the other? 7 is greater than 2. I don't take the greater one, I take the small. So I'm subtracting this one by what? 2 and this one by 2. So the answer there, b exponent 2 minus 2, that's b exponent 0, which is 1. Don't need to write that. But b exponent 7 minus 2, that's b exponent 5. This is my final answer. Good. Now, looking at the last one there, this requires the laws of exponents. If you remember, there's a definition that says that if I have 3x exponent 4, y exponent 5, then this is raised to an exponent of 2. The 2 is distributes through the values. And the numeric, if there's no number there, it's there, but it's not there. I don't know if this makes sense. It's there, but it's not there. Good. Now, the 2 is going to multiply the exponents. So I have 3, then it's 1 times 2. Then x exponent 4 times 2. Y exponent 5 times 2. So I have 3 exponent 2, x exponent 8, y exponent 10, which is 9x exponent 8, y exponent 10. Good. Now, careful of when do you have a exponent 2 plus b exponent 3 all square. You do not say answer it's a exponent 2 times 2 plus b exponent 3 times 2. This is an error. This is an error. Commonly known in exams. Don't do this thing. It's incorrect. Instead, when you have these things, you have two brackets. A exponent 2 plus b exponent 3, a exponent 2 plus b exponent 3. That's what you have. So careful of such. Now, let's distribute this to, I have a 6. You know the 1 is there, but it's not there. So my answer is going to be 6 exponent 2 times 1, it's 2. A exponent 2 times 4, it's 8. Then b exponent 1 times 2, which is 2, all over 18ab cubed. 6 squared, it's 36. I should have simplified it in the first step, but I wanted to show you how we changed there. All over 18. Then I have a b exponent 3. Now, 18 goes into 36 without leaving a remainder. How many times? 2 times. The exponent of A, it's 1, right? It's there, but it's not there. Hence, I'm going to subtract by 1. Both exponents, or both powers, sorry. So 8x minus 1, it's going to give me A exponent 7. Between 3 and 2, which one is the smallest? 2. That's why I'm going to subtract by 2. Subtract by 2. Because the bases are the same. Bases were the same here. That's what I need to check. I need to be careful of such. So I don't have this b here is going to be cancelled, which is 1. B exponent 0, of course, equals 1. Yes. So I don't need to have that 1. I need to have the 1 here, which I have b exponent 1. Even though I don't write it, it's still fine. So here's my final answer. Good.